Now 5 seconds to shoot. Basket. On the white shirts to shoot.
Underneath pass on Mr. Mendoza.
2 Asuncion. Pass. Now Maninang. Basket on Mr. Now Razon. Force. Basket on the 15-foot line. Now Asuncion. Drives to the middle. Gets the back. Now takes it by. Now here comes Maninang. Basket on Mr. Man. Now Mr. Between reverse on Mr. once again to Mercado to number 17. Now basket. Now underneath on Mr. Paniban. Basket. Third down. Now Mr. Gutierrez. Basket.
Now here comes Pangaliban, goes reverse.
The blue shirts, Mr. Mercado to Manludag. Basket. Now here comes Mr. Dila Tingin. Fernando. Basket. Now drive. Wala pa rin. Good po yan. Underneath. Gets the back. Ang Tingin. Kan sabay tingin kay Mr. Langkap. Basket. Now Mr. Montemayor. Fars. Basket. Drive, zigzagging down gutter the defense. 29 to 18. Now Mercado lays off basket on his. Now underneath, gets the basket. Now Montemayor, basket. Now reverse, basket on Mr. Pangaliban. Now Gutierrez, basket on Mr. Gutierrez. Bars on Mr. Goldberg.
Reverse gets it.
Now number 9. Fars, basket. And the pass, Razon, Fars, basket on Mr. Razon. Now number 22, Razon. Tingin, pass, number 20 to Gutierrez, basket. The bulldozer now, number 42, basket. Now Mr. Mercado, drives to the now number 56, Maninang, basket. To Tingin, Fars, basket. Reverse basket. Next one. Now Maninang, Fars, David. Basket on Mr. Manila. Now Razon. Basket on Mr. 30 seconds. Now Mr. Razon, pinabayan. Now here comes Mr. Mercado. Bounce, basket. Now from downtown